and welcome back to Amazing Tips for You. Today we'll prepare a skin whitening soap that effectively whitens skin, removes suntan, dark spots, acne scars and leaves you with a crystal clear glowing skin. But before we proceed further, if you're new to my channel, a hearty welcome to Amazing Tips for You. Don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You and tap on the bell icon for amazing beauty tips on glowing skin, hair growth, weight issues, product reviews, kitchen hacks, food recipes and much more. To make this homemade skin whitening soap, take any soap of your choice that has glycerin in it and cut the soap into small pieces so that it's easier to melt. Now I'll be using the double boiler method to melt the soap. For this method, I'll boil some water in a large vessel and once boiled, I'll place another smaller container with the soap in it. Keep it placed in the water until the soap melts completely. In the meantime, let us prepare the skin whitening Whiten mixture that needs to be added to the soap to make it a perfect skin whitening soap. For this skin whitening soap mixture, I have taken a tablespoon of green gram or the green moong dal powder, quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of rose petals powder and 3/4 tablespoon of neem powder. Mix them for an even mixture and then add quarter glass of raw full fat milk. Mix them well for a lump-free mixture. Once the glycerin soap melts completely, add in the skin whitening soap mixture. Stir everything properly and transfer the skin whitening soap to the mold. Freeze it for 5 to 6 hours or you can leave it in the room temperature until the soap hardens. You can even use plastic teacups in place of silicone molds. Once the soap has hardened completely, remove the soap from the mold and then it is ready to use. This homemade skin whitening Whiten soap will leave your skin well nourished, moisturized and gives you a glowing skin as well. It works wonderfully well to remove dark spots, age spots, acne scars and suntan and lightens, brightens skin in just 3 days. Try out this homemade skin whitening soap to lighten, brighten, to repair skin and to achieve a crystal clear, glowing, blemish-free skin. If you find this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You. Take care. Bye-bye.